After spending a one-on-one day with my baby girl that just turned 8, it was time to return home and start cooking for my family. We were already running late for lunch, and I decided to make a very simple, delicious meal, which is frutti spaghetti frutti de mare, seafood pasta. I was so much in a hurry because my parents-in-law is around and I don't want them to be, hungry. We spent much more than what we wanted to spend outside, you know. So my mom was just right here in the kitchen helping me to wash the seafood. She was taking out the prawns, the shell. She was taking out the shell of the prawns, and after she done that, she helped with the mussels. We take out the mussels from the shell too. Now the thing is, when you know how to cook, you know how to cook. That's just one thing. No matter how you put the things together, the thing is, once you know what you are doing, once your spices are intact and you know what you are doing, it doesn't matter how you start it or how you end it. The thing is, it's always going to come out delicious. God forbid that I cook a food that is not delicious or I cook a food that is too salty. In fact, that is not my thing. I heavily have a great day outside with us, and from buying her bicycle, from getting a bicycle to painting of her nails. First time she went on a nails painting, it wasn't that serious though. It was just to, you know, paint like just normally what I do for her at home. Just paint it. That was all. So paint and put some glitter on it, and she just choose red. I really like red color. I see some of you in the comments just saying, why did I learn how to get a red color that is for women, that is not for kids, that is pink? You see that should go for pink, or should go for white, or should go for blah blah blah, I don't know. Yeah, so the thing is, you don't choose what she want. It was her birthday. At first, you people said I shouldn't choose bicycle for her. I should let her choose. Now she's painting her nails. You're telling me why did she choose that? I shouldn't let her to choose that. So what happened to I should let her to choose on bicycle? What happened to that? It's the same thing now. So I let her to choose also on her nails. Anyway, it's self love. I try to to teach her first self love, to take care of herself in future and all that and all of that. So she is gonna grow up knowing herself come first. She have to take care of herself and all of that. No matter what, she just have to take care of herself. You don't have to listen to anybody. You don't have to for example, let me say me being married into a German family. It taught me a lot that as in everything kind of like I see is being overdressed. When I make up, I think I over make up. When I wear a wig, I think I overdo it. In fact, my mother-in-law loved me to be on my natural hair, and I guess my husband the same thing. Like I kind of so I'm just teaching my daughter not to kind of like look in that kind of relationship that I'm into right now. It's good to also be free, but you have to take care of your own self, because I think that I have neglected myself a lot, and I don't want my daughter to also do that to herself because she's a German. She have to bring that African, that Nigerian self into it, which I try to do at least every Sunday. I try to bring that my Nigerian life into it. If not, I will look kind of like unkept all the time, because when you come out with the Germans, it looks like you're overdressed. Everything is overdressed. If people living in Germany, they will testify to this, especially when they're married to a German husband. When they say, "Oh, you are okay like this, you're fine like this," even where you wear a rack, they will tell you you're fine, you're beautiful. Don't mind me. Immediately after lunch, we made our party ready. Robert, in the other hand, helped to put balloons up for her, and we decorate and bring out all the stuff. I couldn't even take a picture from the beginning because those children, before I could bring out everything, because trust my father-in-law, as I was just doing, my father-in-law was helping me back and left, left and right, helping me to take care of the things, bringing them out. Anyone that just finished arranging, he will bring them out. In fact, there was even one that he even have to do it by himself and then just take it out. But then, before I could come out, I was making their tea. Before I could come out, I said that those children have already Heavenly and our team, they already start eating. So I couldn't take a picture of the table, but at the end, I took a picture. So you guys are going to see all of that coming. But nevertheless, they enjoyed themselves. They had fun. They had fun. Oh, I'm gonna share you some videos. Yeah, both the ones I said I was not gonna share with you. I'm gonna share you guys some videos. You guys are gonna see how much fun they had. Yeah, although there's music playing in most of them, so I won't share most of them, like from the beginning and all of that. So I won't show most of them, but they enjoyed themselves. So guys, back to our spaghetti de mare. Look at it, we're almost done. It's very delicious, believe me, we enjoyed it. You see this full pot? I cook 1,000 gram. That 1,000 gram, almost nothing remained. Yeah, here am I putting my parsley leaf. Oh, it was so delicious, super, 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 super delicious. I love it. It was very delicious. My husband and everybody, they enjoyed it. I myself, I even went for first and second plate. I enjoyed it. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed it. So guys, come to the table with me because we are going to enjoy ourselves. You see, Grandpa was there. Do you see what Grandpa is doing there? Grandpa is busy watching after Liam, watching after his precious grandson. Oh, can you imagine? I'm blessed in all ramification. Hmm? So let's go, guys. Yeah, Emily got a new bicycle. Emily got a new bicycle.